Welcome to Hardware Learning. Today we are installing the Flyin Miata Stage 2 sway bars to match our V-maxx Xtreme coilovers. What we're going to do first is obviously jack the car up, remove the wheels, and then we're going to come at this end link right here, which I believe is a 14 bolt and nut. We're going to get that off, and then we're going to get the 12mm bracket bolts out, pull the sway bar back, put the new sway bar in. It'll be a grand old time. Very shallow. What happened to my shallow? Got him. Am I going the right way?
What?
More? Oh, am I going the right way?
Yeah.
That is a tiny sway bar back here.
I know, dude.
It's like as big as a
The
straw.
ND, the ND one is like twice as big.
Really? Alright, now I need 12mm.
Honestly, I think
It might be 14. What happened to my 14? Oh, yeah. The new part. Oh.
Yeah.
I mean, the thickness of the new bars are the same, front to back. I know that. Because that's why I looked at them and was like, oh, they should be the same when I ordered the kit. Didn't know the geometry was different. Joke's on you, Kyle.
I think the backs are the same, like between the two.
Yeah, same exact bar. The front is the front was the issue. Clearly. Because it's been a month since I got this. So it's all 14s. 14, 14, 14, 14. Repeat that on the other side. Just an example of how easy this is. Out with the old. It uses the same brackets even, so I don't even need to get up right now.
Dude, there are new bushings up here too if you want those.
Oh, there are?
Yep.
Oh, I'll take new bushings. Same new brackets too? Like the metal part or no? Just new bushings. New bushings. What do the instructions say about end link position of the rear? Do you lube that guy up too? Okay, I got my bracket. I got my lubed up lube-a-doop dupe. Just gonna have our handy assistant here slap that slip slappity sloop right onto there. Looks like he's doing a good job of struggling at that. Alright. You got the instructions?
I would suggest starting with the end links in the outermost holes on the front bar and the middle hole on the rear bar.
Oh, hey. Looking at my eccentric bolts, one is a notch out and one is a notch in. So that would explain why the cambers.
Alright, you want to put the bolt in from the outside or the inside? They work for that
I
company.
feel like inside because then the shock isn't in the way.
That's what I thought.
Here, where's the other bolt?
I got the one on this side.
We're just gonna snug that up. One little thing to note, you want to make sure this is bent at like a 45 that way. So you want to make sure that bends with the end link the proper way so that they made up flush. But with that, you get your bracket on, you get your wheels back on, you get your end links on, and then to finish it up, you'll want to drop the car onto some ramps, and then you will torque down the end link, and you'll be ready to rock and roll. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy your new sway bars.